I want to talk about making the easy choice versus making the right choice. Every moment is an opportunity to choose between making the easy choice and making the right choice. The easy choice is one that goes smoothly, that doesn't offer any discomfort in our lives. Whereas the right choice may be more difficult, but it leads us to a better outcome in the end. For example, when somebody frustrates you or makes you upset, the easy option, the easiest thing you can do is get upset back at them. To get angry and let your emotions take control of you. That's the easy option. The right option is to say, I'm not going to let my emotions control me. I'm not going to respond to them in that way. Now that is difficult to do, but it leads you to a better outcome. So the more we can focus and ask ourselves, am I making the easy choice or am I making the right choice? The more we're going to be capable of deciphering in that moment what's going to lead us to a better outcome. So it's easier to sit on the couch all day and not exercise or not do anything productive. Whereas the right choice may be going to the gym, going for a walk, or just doing something productive. That's going to give you a better outcome. It's easier to decide not to go out and meet friends because you're introverted and you don't want to do social things. Whereas the right choice is to get out of your comfort zone and go meet new people, have more experiences. That is how you get the better outcome. That is how you grow a little bit more each day. So what I want you to do is start asking yourself in every moment, is this the easy choice or is this the right choice? Remember, just because it's difficult doesn't mean you should avoid it. That's where all the growth occurs. That's where you start to reach your full potential, is by doing those things that make you a little uncomfortable. So start asking yourselves, is this the easy choice or is this the right choice? And if you have an opportunity to take the right choice, take it.